Hi everyone, Damsels in DIY here. We're so glad you've been watching our videos that we've definitely been putting out every week.
That's right, house done right on time, right on schedule, and we've been releasing a new video every week just like we promised.
Just as you promised, huh? According to our soul contract, you have breached the agreement for over a year. And now it's time for your proper punishment. Fire and spice hair!
No!
Yeah.
Hey Beelzebub, Harmony can get her hair all weird, but I can't. I'm an actress.
Very well, as long as I have one of you for the tutorial. Now, here's your punishment.
Why?
Today, we'll be dyeing hair with all natural ingredients.
Now, I have no idea what's going to happen, or if it will hurt.
But that's part of the fun, isn't it?
What we'll need for this tutorial is turmeric, henna, indigo, conditioner of choice, a bowl, plastic gloves, measuring cups and spoons, tin foil, and a shower cap. First, drag your victim to a stain-resistant area and start preparing your turmeric mixture. Add 1 cup of conditioner and a half cup of turmeric to a bowl and mix it until well distributed. If it is too dry, add olive oil and water. Now apply this mixture to your bond breaker's hair and don't be afraid to just glop it on in there. Mix it in with your fingers. If you scratch, don't worry. They broke their contract anyway, and this is a punishment. Next, and I hate this part, you have to wait for 4 hours. In the interim, you can watch TV. Eat the victim's food. Play with their cat. Dirty their underwear. Basically, do whatever the hell you want.
Hey, those are mine.
Oopsie. After all that mayhem, wash the turmeric out of their hair, and then prepare for the next step. Notice the yellow? Nice.
What?
You, broken damsel, give me that pen. I guess some things you really do have to do yourself. Here. Ah! Now this is where things get a little more complicated. It's time to create our henna indigo concoction. First, we are going to put a half cup of henna in a bowl and mix it with 2 tablespoons of indigo as well as a cup of conditioner. Mix it together with a spoon or a hand mixer if you have one. A little trick in hell to keep the henna from spreading to your skin is to put lotion on your scalp around where it will be touching you. But we don't need to do that here now, do we, Harmony? Next, we glob this mud-like looking stuff into separated sections of the hair where you want the color to be. If you don't want it leaking onto other parts of the hair, you should cover the freshly hennaed parts with tinfoil and fold it together like this. Allow me to demonstrate. Next, after all color is applied, place a shower cap over the victim's hair, and then wait. Again. Another 4 freaking hours! But there's still plenty to do. I'll bet she has a credit card somewhere.
Hey, that's mine too.
What? I didn't hear you. Too busy ordering things. After waiting, wash your victim's hair again. Voila! Wait. Oh, damn it! That was almost nothing! Well, I guess it fulfills the punishment in any case. Well, that's all there is to it. It may hurt, it may not look the best, but at least you mortals learned something today. Now, I'm off to get those 2 guys from that one show that you love so much who are late putting it out. But don't worry, they'll learn their lesson. And if you care about these pitiful mortals at all, like and subscribe. Or don't. Maybe they'll miss that certain quota by that certain year, and I'll get to come back and teach them a new lesson. Bye, fools! Oh, damn it, I fought it again. eggs.
Oh, my shoulder. Oh, no. Why? I should have just gone with the hair. I could have dyed it back. Why? Oh, no.